Alright guys, today we have a few Legacy of the Master packs. Let's go ahead and open them up. Alright, here we go. Whoever we got here, he's a fighter. Let's see. Oh, dang, bro. Sabo. Oh, this is cool. This is pretty cool. Now we kind of got all three brothers. And now get ready. Back here, we got something with a nice edge. So, here we go. Man, look at that Sabo, dude. How cool. Awesome. This is why we love doing this. Oh, dang, bro. I wanted a Garp. How cool, dude. Oh, man, that looks beautiful. Awesome. Freaking awesome. Let's go. What a pull. Awesome. Monkey D Garp. Bro, how awesome. Super happy with that first pack. Let's keep it going. Round 2. Let's go. Alright, here we go. No cheating this time. No looking at any corner. No, just kidding. Alright, here we go. Oh, cool. Yeah, we're always happy to get a few new cards too, you know? There's so many doubles though, we gotta have a place to put. Oh, nice, dude. Rayleigh leader. Pretty cool, man. Pretty cool. We're picking up some cool leaders. Alright. Bam. Okay. They say the leader packs aren't the best, but either way, pretty cool, Rayleigh. Awesome pack regardless, dude. Just for that Rayleigh, I mean, it might not be anything too special, but I'm a fan, dude. I'm a fan of this One Piece thing, so I'm just happy to see characters I love, man. Alright, let's go. Pack number 3. Alright. Starting off with the Toonie Morgan. Alright. Let's go. What is that? Cool, man. Yeah, Corazon technique. Corazon. Whatever you want to call it. Buggy. That's pretty cool. Alright. Here we go. Okay. Alright, a baby 5. We've gotten her before too. Alright. Here we go. We're getting down to it. 2 packs left. No. Okay, here we go. Alright. Sure. Bonnie. Hachan. Zoro. Buffalo. Alright, let's just keep going. That's pretty cool. It's different. Alright, Koala Leader. We got that before. Hiyori. Oh, dang! Doflamingo, dude. That's actually super sick. Doflamingo's super cool, man. Oh, whoa. What? I thought that was the last card. What the heck is that? A cool Dawn card. Alright. Wow. Just when I thought it couldn't actually get better. Let's go. Alright. Silver's Rayleigh. Cool. We got this one. But now we got 2. So, even better. Sweet, dude. Pretty good. I like this. This was a cool pack. Our last and final pack. For now. Let's go. I'm excited. Alright, let's take a look. No Dawn card in the back. Should we check for a leader? Oh, there is a leader. I don't know what that means. Supposedly it's not good, but I think it will be good. Let's go. Another cool leader and something new. Here we go. Get him on. Alright, cool. Yeah, this is like one of the best scenes. There's so many best scenes, but this is definitely an awesome one. Oh yeah, dude. Sweet. I'm really happy with that. Alright, Rosinante. Let's go. Alright, Charlotte. Cool. Whoa. That is awesome, dude. What an awesome pull. Now this, I think we got from the deck. The starter deck. I'm not sure. We're gonna compare that later, but that's pretty cool, man. I hope it's a little different. Man, look at that Shanks, bro. Looks badass. Awesome pack. Definitely an awesome pull. Super happy with it. You did not see me spin that twice. Here we go. Awesome. Yo, I'm pretty happy with today's pulls. Alright guys, I think we added some pretty cool characters to our collection. If you enjoyed the video, like and subscribe. If you didn't, maybe do it anyways, you know, just saying. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Peace. One Piece. Awesome. Alright guys, we did it. See you next time.